Santa baby, just sip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. I'm sorry.
I don't think she understands why we gave her the sheets.
Snuggle it. Snuggle. Okay.
We're going to Big G's to get fries!
Yes.
Guys, I want to address the fact that yes, yesterday I almost had a chicken slip up, but they ran out of chicken, so it was all good, and I didn't eat any chicken. Oh wait, actually last night I did have a slip up because I had bacon on my pizza.
Mallory.
But they had, it was good though.
Oh, yes.
I do yoga right there. Did you get ketchup?
No, we cut your at home.
Everyone leaves. Hey!
I hate vlogmas.
Glory's done.
It's for vlogmas. You did? I know, I got her on it. You haven't watched the first one? Okay.
This is my least favorite Christmas song.
Really? I think Mary Do Know is my least favorite.
Is it 16 days before Christmas? Because that's like 2 weeks. That's not a lot of days until Christmas. Where's my drink diary? Dear diary, today I had a nightmare where I had another baby.
They're nipple stockings.
Masculinity is amazing in this picture.
What a hottie. And the way he sits. Man, oh
You can see
man.
his feet.
Your tool gift sets. What a tool.
That's, wow.
That would be really funny. And they're only $10. Is it comfy?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh. Okay. Bye now. Look, did you know that they sell single toilet seats?
Wow.
And they're made in wood. Almost. Okay. What a failure.
Gotta test it out before you buy it.
I'm like sad to watch this. Are you trying to get it back in? Oh wait. You could be a mother of all the birds. I'm sure you have it.
Look at all of these Carmexes.
Wow.
There's literally 2 chocolates in here.
And how much is it?
2 chocolates. I don't know. It was not in the right place.
Oh. Oh, looks like these are a seller.
Those chapsticks suck.
They do?
Look, there's like trendy like
Wow, that's really
liners
cool.
and pre-poop spray.
Wow. You need that.